Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to get listed in Opensea. So, Opensea is basically a platform of NFTs. It is very popular, and the fact that you can list an NFT of your collection on their website is really good, and it can give it can give you a chance to be seen and become popular. So how you can do it? Basically, you only need two things, which is going to OpenSea and opening the website, and the second thing, which is getting a wallet. So how you can get a wallet? For example, for me, I'm using this MetaMask wallet. You can get it by going to MetaMask, and you pick this first website, and from here you download it, and basically you click here, install MetaMask for Chrome. After that, they will take you to this page, and from here you add it to as an extension, and you create your own MetaMask account. So this is pretty simple, pretty easy. Now, after you create your first MetaMask account, you go ahead and open OpenSea, and you choose this wallet in here, and you click on it, and you just choose MetaMask, and you click connect. So as you can see, now I am on my OpenSea account, which will be looking something like that. So now, to create or get listed, you go to create. After doing so, here you add an image or video or audio or 3D model, and it should be max size is 100 megabytes. Here you add a name, external link, a description, collection, and here you add some properties, levels, stats, and if you want to be unlockable content or explicit sensitive content, you can make it here. And here you add how much supply you have and which blockchain it will be on. So here is all the blockchains that are available on this website, and after doing all of these, you click on create. So that's how you can actually get listed on OpenSea. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.